Hi folks, I'm Jeff Ferguson. I'm the Sales Director of Internet Profit. I'd like to introduce our CEO, Monty Hipscht. Now Monty, Internet Profit's about producing additional traffic to people's websites and then turning that into profit. Could you define exactly how it works? What does Internet Profit actually do?
That's great. Jeff, Internet Profit is a repository of online video tutorials that cover the topics of search engine marketing, pay-per-click advertising, email marketing, web page conversion and user interface, and social media. And for those just starting out, we also cover domain name registration and setting up your first website. So it's a complete suite of video tutorials.
Thanks, Monty. And Monty, there's no shortage of internet gurus in the market, that's for sure. So what is the novelty that Internet Profit brings to the equation?
Yeah, another great question, Jeff, and let's name names. The internet gurus are people that you've heard of. Perry Marshall, Armin Morin, Alex Mandossian, all the people from StomperNet, people like Frank Kern, and they all provide useful products. In fact, we've bought all of their products. But what you frequently get is 2 or 3 DVDs from a conference that you'll have to spend 2 or 3 days to watch, 16 CDs that you need to listen to in your car, or Perry Marshall's own guide is over 300 pages. Nobody has the time to watch and listen to all this information. So what we've done is we've taken each one of these topics and broken them down into 3 to 5 minute, full screen, not YouTube videos, full screen, click by click, how-to videos. So as you watch our videos and follow along, at the end of the video you've actually done the task yourself and have an outcome.
Okay, Monty, that's wonderful. Now, could you define who Internet Profit is for? I understand it's for businesses and at all sorts of levels of competence. Is that the case?
Yep, that's absolutely right, Jeff. We're not trying to sell the next get-rich-quick scheme. This material has been built up from 10 years of us operating and having over 300 clients where we actually do these activities for our clients. And so what we're doing is for businesses that are already on the internet and they want to leverage that capability, or a small company just who has an offline presence who wants to start on the internet and build up their internet presence. And to that end, we provide the information at an introductory level, a mid-level, and an extremely high-end level as well. So we cover the whole range of education.
Thanks, Monty. And Monty, could you explain how it's used? Do you actually need 2 screens to do the work?
Jeff, on the same page where you're watching this video, we've got 2 demonstrations. One of them is an excellent one that you all should do immediately after watching this, which is claim your own business listing in Google's local business directory. And we show you step by step how you go, find your listing if it's in the directory, and if it's not, how to add it, and how to put in information in there. So it's a great tutorial, which is an example for free to you. We have another tutorial which shows you how to consume our tutorials. And they basically show you both in Internet Explorer and in Firefox how to create 2 open full screen tabs. So you can be watching our video full screen, pause it, toggle to your tab for your site, do the activity. So at the end of watching our video and toggling back and forth, you've completed that activity and it's working for you.
Thanks, Monty. I guess it would be appropriate for you to explain our qualifications. Who are we to be giving this advice?
Jeff, behind us you can see the Google logo. And I can tell you right now, Google is very conscious about who can use that logo. We're a Google authorized reseller here in Australia. We were the 3rd one in Australia. There are now 7 in the country. And Google resellers worldwide are less than 100. So we're fully qualified and trained quarterly by Google themselves in a number of their products. We don't just do pay-per-click as well. We're also certified as one of their ad serving platforms, so we do a lot of AdSense work. I personally am certified in Google Enterprise and can do Google Apps. So we cover a broad suite of Google products, as well as participating in Search Marketing Expo every year with Danny Sullivan, covering the rest of the search engine marketing activities, and also lecturing at CeBIT, the largest consumer electronics show in the world.
Thanks, Monty. Now, I understand that this is a very expensive exercise in many cases, so what sort of cost is involved with Internet Profit?
As you would know, Jeff, developing our business activities, setup costs vary between $1,000 and $4,000 normally for this type of work, and then we have an ongoing maintenance contract of $99.95 a month. We figured, since you're watching over our shoulders as we've been filming these videos for our clients, real clients, and that you're just using our intellectual property, but you'll actually be doing the work, that we're going to charge only 1/5 of that cost, or $19.95 a month.
So $20 a month. Now I understand, Monty, that there's no contract and no fixed term. Is that correct?
Jeff, you're spot on. We believe that the value of our training tutorials and the fact that we're adding so much new content every month will justify your monthly spend, and you're staying with us as you advance in your knowledge. But if at any time you want to leave, you can. You are still allowed to log back in and watch any of the previous videos that you've purchased, and you can see those and for as long as you like, including our updates.
So for $20 a month, people control the service. If they don't like it, they can walk away. If they do, they have the bargain of all times. Is that it?
That's it, Jeff. They got the bargain of all times.
Thanks for your time, Monty, and thanks for your time, folks.